Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making mutton pulao, the best mutton pulao you have ever tasted. So let's get started. We need to soak our rice first. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of long grain basmati rice. So for 1 kilo of mutton, I'll be using 3 cups of basmati rice. So you need to rinse the rice at least 3 times and then keep aside and let it soak for 30 minutes. Let's prep the mutton for pulao. I have 1 kilo of curry cut pieces of mutton. Go for a medium cut because when you cook, the meat will shrink and you don't want very tiny pieces of goat in your pulao. So medium size, 1 kilo with bone curry cut pieces. So all we need to do is marinate the mutton with some lemon juice and a tablespoon of yogurt. So around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Both lemon and yogurt will help the mutton tenderize. Marinate the mutton for half an hour. For our base, we'll need 1 medium size of shallot or onion. They add a very good flavor to the dish. So I'm using 1 medium size of shallot. You can use 1 onion too. Then I have 2 green chilies, 2-inch size of ginger, which will be around 2 tablespoons. I have 8 cloves of garlic, 2 stems and roots of coriander. This we will grind into a coarse paste. We'll also be needing 1 small tomato, finely diced, handful of coriander. Also we'll need mint leaves. You can see it's not much, but do add it because they do give a extra flavor to the pulao. We need whole spices for our pulao and we need 2 dry bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom, and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. So while our mutton is marinating and rice soaking, let's get our base ready. Look, I'm using a shallot. You can use an onion too. It's just, my personal preference. I love using shallots for my curries. If you don't get a hands on shallots, use onion. Make your life easy. Ginger, roughly chopping it. We'll add this to the grinder. And we'll make a nice coarse base for our pulao. 1 small tomato. I'm going to take the skin off and I'm going to finely dice it. You can grate it or make a puree. Chopping the coriander for garnish and cooking. I'm not going to cut the mint, I'm just going to throw it in. So that's our chopping and cutting done. Let's get cooking. Heat a pressure cooker on medium flame and add 1 cup of oil. And 1 tablespoon of ghee. We add in our whole spices. Saute for a few seconds. We add in our ginger and garlic paste. Saute the base for at least 5 to 6 minutes or till the oil has separated. It's been 5 minutes and our base is nice and brown and the oil has separated too. Let's add in our masala. Turn the flame to low and add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and 1 heaped tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half tablespoon meat masala powder. Give it a mix on a low flame. Add in tomatoes and mint leaves. Add in salt. Cook on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the tomatoes have softened. Now that the oil has come up, let's add the mutton. A little bit of coriander leaves. Cook the meat with the masala on low flame for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Let all that amazing masala and onion and ginger, garlic flavors infuse the mutton, and we come back in 10 minutes and see how it's going. Our mutton goat has been cooking for 10 minutes now. Now we add in water. So I've added 3 cups of boiling water because we also need a broth for our rice. Lid on, secure the pressure and cook the meat for 4 whistles on low flame. So it's been 4 whistles, the pressure has settled. Let's open the lid and check if the meat has cooked through. Yes, the meat is cooked. Let's add in our rice. Flame back on medium. Add in the rice. So we've drained the water and adding in our soaked rice. Gently give it a mix. I think we have enough broth here, enough water for our rice to cook. So we won't add any water. This is the time you check the salt. So lid back on, secure the pressure. On medium flame, we cook the rice until 2 whistles. It's been 2 whistles. Turn off the heat and immediately release the pressure. We have an absolute winner of a dish here. Perfect dish to entertain your guests and family. Do give it a go and please let me know in your comments. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with another fantastic dish. See ya. Bye-bye.